Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. Children, here I am going to explain rotational symmetry in different regular polygon and irregular polygon. So look here children, here our first shape is this square. You can see here we have one square and this is a regular polygon. So I am writing one over here. As you all know, this is a regular polygon. Why it is a regular polygon? Because its all sides are equal and its all angles are equal. So children, here its order of rotational symmetry I have already explained you. Its order of rotational symmetry is 4. Okay, it means when you will rotate it by 90 degree from its original position, or when you will give 1/4 turn from its original position, you will be getting the original shape. So here children, order of rotational symmetry is 4. And how you will know that you have to rotate by 90 degree? You can see here children, it has 4 sides. One side is this, okay, second side is this, third side is this, fourth side is this. So what we will do here children, in one complete rotation, total number of here I am writing, in one complete rotation there is 360 degree turn. So you will divide it by 4. Okay, so when you will divide it by 4, you will be getting 90 degree, means the first turn where it will be looking like its original shape is 90 degree. Now move to the second shape children. Here we have a hexagon. You can see here it has 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and because here I am talking about regular hexagon, all sides are equal. Now children, when you will rotate it by 60 degree from its original position, you will be getting the original shape. And if you will give it 1/6 turn, again you will be getting the same shape. So at 60 degree or 1/6 turn, you will be getting the same shape. Now children, here I am going to explain order of rotation symmetry in this hexagon. As it has total number of 6 sides and in one complete rotation there are 360 degrees, so we will divide it by 6. Okay, and here your answer is 60 degree, means you have to give it 60 degree turn. After that you will be getting the same shape of your hexagon, means you will be getting original shape. And in a hexagon, ORS means order of rotational symmetry is 6. Okay, now I am moving to the third shape. You can see here I have one triangle. Okay, now in a triangle children, it has 3 sides. Here I am talking about equilateral triangle only. Equilateral triangle. As you all know, in equilateral triangle all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. So in an equilateral triangle, you will be getting the same original shape after 1/3 turn or 120 degree rotation. Now children, here in this case, as you all know, it has 3 equal sides, 1 2 3, and in one complete rotation there is 360 degrees. So we will divide it by 3 and we will be getting 120 degree as the answer. So children, after rotating it by 120 degree from its original position, that is 0 degree, you will be getting its original shape. Note here I am talking about equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is your regular polygon. Next is one irregular shape, that is rectangle. I am going to explain here this irregular shape. Now in this polygon children, because its opposite sides are equal, all sides are not equal. So this is your irregular polygon. Okay, now here children, when you will rotate it by 180 degree or when you will give it half turn, you will be getting its original shape. So you will be getting its original shape after 180 degree turn, or when you will rotate it from its original position by 360 degree, you will be getting its original shape. So here children, order of rotational symmetry is 2. Okay, so in this way you all have to calculate the order of rotational symmetry. And here you can see I have explained how you will find order of rotational symmetry in different regular polygons. Okay, so with this we come to an end, and I hope this activity is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.